Hi everyone. Now we are going to discuss about sludge treatment under wastewater engineering. It's unit 5, sludge and disposal. So what is sludge treatment? So it's a process used to manage and disposal of sewage sludge produced during wastewater and drinking water treatment. So sludge is mostly water with lesser amount of solid material removed from liquid sewage. We can identify physical and chemical characteristic in sludge. So there are four treatment processes are there. Thickening. Thickening is gravity and flotation. Number two, digestion. It's aerobic and anaerobic condition. Three, mechanical dewatering. It's vacuum filtration and centrifugation. Number four, disposal, land application and burial. So this is a sludge treatment process design. So we know here the mixed sludge from secondary treatment to dissolved air filtration tank. So after floating tank, it will enter into sludge pulper. From such pulper, it will enter to thermal hydrolysis reactor. After that reactor, it's come to flash tank. So here in thermal reactor, some streams it will penetrate to the boilers and some streams it will penetrate into the sludge pulper for their rotation of the motor. And after flash tank, the sludge is entering into anaerobic digester. After the digester, the sludge is finally reached dewatering dried sludge. So anaerobic digestion, there are three: hydrolysis, acidogenesis, methanogenesis. So number one, hydrogenesis. It's complex organic solids are hydrolyzed by bacteria. Carbohydrates, protein and fat are converted to simple carbohydrate, amino acid and fatty acid. Number two, acidogenesis. It involves the conversion of soluble carbon formed during hydrolysis into organic acid and H2. So number three, methanogenesis. It's bacterial conversion of fatty acid and hydrogen into CH2 and CO2 by strict anaerobism. So here the formula anaerobic digestion V equal to Q1 plus Q2 by 2 into T1 plus Q2 T2. So here we know total digestion capacity. Q1 is volume of raw sludge fed daily. Q2 is volume of daily digest sludge accumulation in tank. T1 is period required for digestion. T2 is period of digestion storage. So here sludge disposal, various options are available for proper disposal. Incineration of sludge is an option that has become less attractive because of the high cost of building and operation incinerators, plus the creation of air pollution and need to landfill the ash. So this is a anaerobic sludge digester. So actually the digester is looking like this. So here the cross section of the digester. So in the process inside the digester like this. So sludge outlet, stabilizer sludge, actively digested sludge, supernatant, scum layer, CH4 and CH2. So the top is gas outlet. So here sludge inlet. So here some scum removal and supernatant removal. So here some advantage of sludge treatment. So it reduce pathogenic and volume to be disposed. It's protect wildlife, aquatic life, and also prevent diseases. So sustainable management of organic waste, reduction of odors and disease causing agents. Finally, it producing biogas. So thank you